So the other day I went on the internet and I wanted to see how to make steamed baby potatoes in my Instant Pot. And I couldn't find anything. So here's the recipe. Baby potatoes are so great. They're small, so aesthetic, and you can really make any dish with potatoes elevated by using these fancy looking baby potatoes. You can make Indian, roasted potatoes, you can make anything. Basically, you can make anything with potatoes, but just make it look fancier because these are baby potatoes. So let's get started. So here I have some potatoes here, just regular baby potatoes. These are not the ones with different skins, so not the red, not the purple kind, but the process will be the same. So if you have an Instant Pot, add your trivet in there and then add in your potatoes. In case your potatoes fall through that trivet, you might need to invest in a steamer basket for your Instant Pot, or just get bigger baby potatoes. Add in a splash of water, that's what's going to help create the steam. Close the lid and then select the steam mode on your Instant Pot. Set the timer for 5 minutes and turn the knob to sealing mode. And after about 15 minutes of natural pressure release, that's it. That's all that you have to do. It's so simple. And look at that, fork tender. I'm gonna cut one of them just to show you how creamy and delicious this looks inside. And there you go, guys. That's how you get baby potatoes ready in the Instant Pot with no work at all. Perfect steamed potatoes. Now, I promise you a surprise. What I'll be using these potatoes for is a delicious North Indian dum aloo, which is going to be a potato and tomato based curry, really rich and delicious. And here you have it. So this is in the works right now, so stay tuned for that because this video is dropping really soon and it's just going to be so exciting. Hope you guys learned something from this quick video and you're comfortable steaming baby potatoes in your Instant Pot. If you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.